Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the major indexes here, starting off with the S&P 500, Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, as well as the IWM Russell 2000. And I'm going to give my analysis and my thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis, as well as hopefully some profitable trade ideas based off of this free analysis video that we're going to give you right now. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like these free videos and analysis that we give to you on a daily basis, it's really nothing in comparison to the membership you get once you sign up with that premium membership. Once you sign up with that premium membership, you're going to gain instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are getting and loving on a daily and weekly basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to start helping you make profitable trades in the market. All right, so let's take a look at these charts here. So just to kind of review, we turned bearish right here as we saw this huge reversal candle right there. We ended up being correct right there. We saw some nice profits on some short trades. We ended up turning bullish right here on this candle right here, and we got that confirmation on this day, breaking over the downtrend line. If you don't believe me, go back, watch the videos we've done. We also mentioned that it was likely that if we do head lower, we're going to bounce off of this trend line retest. So we ended up, in fact, heading lower and retesting that trend line retest and getting a bounce from that. Go ahead, go back, watch these videos. All right, so now what do we do with the S&P 500? So the S&P 500, very bullish at the moment. What you want to focus on is a couple of things. For one, we've got really nice support below us at about 2481. All right, about 2481. That's based off of this previous resistance you saw right here. You can see it getting rejected right here. Finally, we broke over that level. So this is a nice, clean level to use as support. We've got the 20-day and the 50-day moving average right here. The 20-day crossing back above the 50-day moving average right here. That's a bullish sign as well. So as these moving averages come up, they're going to act as support as well around this 2481. So to me, if we do head lower, which we've done, quite a bit, we break out and then we come back and we retest support, just like we did over here, and then we bounced right here. So if we do head lower, it's just going to be a simple retest of that support, and I do think it's going to be a buying opportunity. As far as resistance, there's no real resistance in the way because we're at all-time highs here for the market. So this is blue skies above us, so we don't really have many levels above us to cover. All we have is the levels of support that are below us, and that main one, the most near one, is the 2481 here on the S&P 500. Next, I'm going to cover the Dow Jones. Very similar here for the Dow Jones. You can see the Dow was trading sideways. I'm going to delete this line right there. So trading sideways in this box right here. Broke over that box. Ever since we did that, we've been extra bullish. Obviously, we were bullish on the bounce here for the Dow Jones, but we got even more bullish here as we broke over this resistance here, and as you can see, it's worked out beautifully right here. We made a new all-time high, a new all-time high close on Friday, so very beautiful action here for the Dow Jones. As far as that support level, it's right around 220.80. So if we get some weird gap down or something like that, down to about 220.80, that's going to be a nice buying opportunity. You can see it was resistance there, right there, and right here. So very clean levels here that we're looking at for the Dow Jones. The next one we're going to take a look at is the Nasdaq. And the Nasdaq, what I want you to focus on here is we haven't broken above this resistance just yet. So you see that on the S&P 500 and the Dow, both of those indexes broke over that previous all-time high several days ago, earlier last week, and the Nasdaq has yet to do that. As you can see, we made that all-time high back here in July, and created this big bearish engulfing candle here. And then as you can see, we got rejected right here. And then several days in a row, look at how many times it's just getting rejected right here at that level. So we've still got a lot of work to do. But another thing I want to point out as well is if we do end up breaking over it right here, it's going to lead to a very nice breakout, because what we have here is we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row where we're just kind of nesting, holding tight right next to that resistance, okay, rather than just kind of, you know, going up to it and then breaking over it. Right here we're building up that energy. I'm not saying we are going to break over it or are not going to break over it. What I'm saying is that if we do break over it, this little sideways trading is going to act as an energy buildup, and we're going to have a lot of energy for a move higher. But until that happens, you know, there's a big time resistance here, and you can clearly see how it's reacting to it and how it's lagging the other two major indexes. Next, we're going to cover the IWM, Russell 2000. Russell 2000 is coming up to a familiar area up here, about 142.50 to about the previous high over there, about 144. So to me, looks like this is not an area to initiate new longs, you know, personally, just because, you know, we made a huge dip. You know, as you can see, we broke this previous low right there, all right, after coming up really high. We made a big dip, and now we're coming all the way back up to this level. To me, I would suspect that IWM is going to putter out sometime soon around the current levels and around 144, just because it has expended a lot of energy already, and you can see it hasn't really taken a break. You know, we've gone pretty much straight up. You can see it took, what, a 2-day break right here before blasting off again. Pretty much, you know, 90% green days right here. So really think that not necessarily a short, but just be aware of how much time we've spent going up and how big of a dip we took last time. I suspect that this price action is not going to break over these previous highs without taking some kind of small retracement down. So if we do head lower into this, you know, 139, where it kind of reacted to right here for a few days, I think that's going to be a good bounce opportunity if it heads lower. So pay attention to these main levels on these main indexes, and you're going to do just great. So thank you for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Hope that you learned something from this video and will take some ideas into your own trading, some profitable trading ideas. If you're not already a member, visit us on the homepage, get to know us better, and then sign up for that premium membership. As soon as you sign up for that premium membership, you're going to gain instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are getting on a daily and weekly basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you start making some nice profitable trades in the market.